Here's a little something fun and useful. I call it the zigzag stitch. Here it is. And boom, it's on a hairband. So you get some hairbands. I'm using a G, I think it is. And I don't know how well you can see that. It's like a zigzag stitch. And it dresses up your little band. So we're going to start with this yarn. I'm just going to take a band. I like to just tie it on with a little piece of yarn. And then I'm going to pull that over there because I'm going to crochet over it. So I'll just pull through. Just pull my yarn through. I'll do that again so you can see. So we're just going to go under, pull my yarn up like that, and do a slip stitch right onto it. And then we'll cover this as we continue around. So what we're going to do is we're going to go under, pick up a loop, pull it up, and do a slip stitch like that. Okay? It's going to feel a little weird at first. Then we're going to go over it like this and pick up from this side and do a slip stitch like so. Then we're going to go under the band, pull up a loop, and do a slip stitch. Then we're going to go over the top, pull up a loop, slip stitch. So it's all slip stitches. Under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over. And remember, there's slip stitches. You're so used to doing single crochets, you may catch yourself trying to do single crochets and it's not single crochets. Under, over, under, slip stitch, over, slip stitch, under, pull up a loop, slip stitch, over the band, pull up a loop, slip stitch, and you just do this all the way around. And you want to push it around so you can get it, nice and covered really nicely. Give it a stretch. And you can move the stitches around so it covers the way you want it to. However you want it to look. under, over, underneath, over, under, over, under, and now that the one there was under, so now I'm going to do one more over to fill in that gap, one more under, and then I'm going to connect it to this one, first one here, and then you're done. And you cut the yarn, pull it through, and of course you'll work it into the circle. You know, just take your needle, darning needle, and sew that string, that leftover tail, inside the loop. Okay. I'll just do it. So just, you know, put it in there. It's not that big a deal. Just so you hide it and it doesn't come loose. Cut off the excess, not the access, the excess. Sorry about that. I always keep this little marker on my, I never lose it, and I always keep the same color so I know if I'm looking for it, it has a yellow. And so there it is, and it's that simple, and you can make them so quick, and they're great to give to people who have longer hair. They wear their hair in ponytails or whatever. And it has that really beautiful stitch. It's like a little zigzag. Hairband. Isn't that great? Enjoy it.